If love is developing in our heart every single day, and you find yourself, yes, these negative things have gone away from me. And when your wife starts praising you, think you are progressing. This question comes quite often. In the beginning, I too had this question. When do I conclude that my cleaning is complete? Then my indicator was very simple, that whenever I took a sitting from a preceptor and how I felt at the end of the sitting, that was my indicator. So individually, when I sit on my own, I should at least have similar feeling arising in my heart that yes, it is similar to a kind of sitting I had with my preceptor. And if you cannot feel all these things still, then put a clock and just close your eyes, do the thorough cleaning of yourself for minimum 25 to 30 minutes. Keep on doing this, day after day. Then one day you'll realize, okay, yes, where you are lacking. And once you iron out all those defects, then you'll master this art of doing cleaning. What do we do in cleaning? We sit comfortably with an idea that through this process, I can become purer and simpler. So have this goal in mind. Why am I sitting? What is the purpose of my cleaning? That I want to become pure and simple so that my body can become temple of God. What do I do to achieve this? Make a sankalp that all those complexities which are clouding my simplicity and impurities which is spoiling my purity are getting removed. So we make this sankalpa that complexities and impurities are going away. Settle down with this idea. Having settled down, you think how they are going away. That they are going away in the form of smoke or vapor. From where? From the backside, the entire back, till the tailbone. This is our usual method, and towards the end of this 4-5 minutes before this cleaning, we make another sankalpa that now I am purer and simpler. The transmission is descending from above, is entering my system. It is helping me to complete my cleaning. It is also filling me up with that transmission. Now I have become pure like temple of God. For me, the measuring yardsticks are so many, how to measure our progress. Spiritually speaking, we measure how We move from one chakra to another chakra, one region to another region. But this is not a perfect indicator. I find the main indicator is our melting hearts. If love is developing in our heart every single day, and you find yourself, yes, these negative things have gone away from me. And when your wife starts praising you, think you are progressing.